Namaste friends. Today I would like to discuss about an individual who follows certain practices and which is disturbing his digestive system and he is not aware of. So basically he understands that we need to consume good foods, all the nourishing foods. So there are so many hundreds of foods, right, that are good for us and we need that diversity, all those things. But then we need to also consider our digestive capacity, how much capacity to digest we have. So the individual is around 65 years, right? He's already aging, so his digestion would have become weak. On top of that, he wants to consume nuts, he wants to consume vegetable juices, fruit juices. Hmm? And what he does is he consumes morning water and then after a break of an hour or so with all the exercises, because he will do all the things good for health. So he will do the pranayam exercises, walking, all that, and then he will come home, consume vegetable juice, so which is good thing. And then the problem and mistake he's doing is he will immediately take bath. Okay. And after bath, after coming from bath, immediately he wants his breakfast ready. So here, why he is not maintaining gap is he goes for work. Even after retirement, he goes for work. And so there is time limitation, but he wants to consume all the good foods. He wants the vegetable juice, he wants nourishing breakfast, but no gap. Already vegetable juice will put our digestive fire down. And on top of that, he's taking bath after the juice. So all the capacity or the energy to digest food goes in cleansing the body for proper blood circulation, because when we take bath, our all the blood goes into different areas and it gets distributed, cleanses, right? That's what happens. And then how will that digest the juice or the food he's going to take? Always there should be a gap between bath and food, at least half an hour to 45 minutes, so that the body comes to a balance after all that intense workout. Like taking bath is like a workout only. We are we are sweating, bending, all rubbing, and also pouring water on the body, right? So our food won't be digested if we eat immediately. We should also not take bath before food. Like once we take food and then taking bath is also a wrong practice. So we should also not take bath just after taking food. So there are so many things we need to be aware and use our intelligence. So how will that food digest? So already vegetable juice is there. He's taking bath and then having that food, which is breakfast, which is nourishing again. But then how will it digest? And then he complains of bloating, acid reflux. All these things will definitely happen, right? When the food is not digested, definitely it putrefies, all the acids will be formed, the food won't get digested properly, and it will release gases and bloating. So that's what will happen. So just have that awareness that you need a gap. It's not that because something is good for us, we must consume all the good items from the world and energize ourselves. We just simply take it for granted that anything and everything we eat will be digested by our stomach and we'll get energized. It's not so. So it is what we are able to digest, absorb, and assimilate that matters, not the variety of foods and quantity of foods, nourishing foods all at a time. Just try to keep a gap for everything. Allow the digestive system to settle, do its function properly. That is more important, which will bring us that vibrant health. Thank you all so much.